Hey all, tomorrow morning I'm going to submit or hand over my car to Akira Citroën Service Center at Indranagar for replacing the wiring harness due to the rat bite issue reported during the first service in July. So it's going to take at least 10 to 15 working days as informed by the insurance guys. I hope that things go well as planned and I get my car as quickly as possible. So the issue I faced is this. Whenever I try to operate the wiper, it closes manually, but not automatically. So in case, example, see this is where it is. It gets stuck. It doesn't completely complete the circle. So I had a tough operations while I was driving in the uh, Udupi and Nagome drive. It was raining continuously. It was tough for me to do that, but it was still okay, I would say. But again, this is one of the problem. Second problem is the light.
The second issue which I report from the rat bite is this. So let me turn on. I think DRL is on at this moment. Yeah, now you can see the DRL being on. Now spot the difference. I should have made this video in the dark, but nevertheless, once I turn on the indicator, right, you can see the DRL goes off. This one, it goes off. That is something we need to see. You can spot the difference. DRL is on here, whereas it's off here. Same way, same thing. If I turn the indicator to the other side, you can spot. See, the DRL is back again on this side, and it's gone this side. So this is the rat bite damage. The third issue which I find or notice is this: the rear window. See, it's fine this time, but sometimes it stutters. I don't know why it's not happening today, but it stutters a lot. This has to be checked out. I don't think it's happening right now, but usually it happens. The stopping noise, yeah, it's not happening right now, which is good. The other part is fine. Other window opens up easily, and this one too. I don't find any issue. The only major drawback I find is the front wiper. Automatic wiper doesn't stop when pressed, and the DRL is not working. The headlamp seems okay, but I some other users have reported the steering being hard, or the steering warning light coming up, or the steering light coming up itself due to the rat bite, which has not happened in my case. I'm lucky, I'm happy for that, but nevertheless we need to have everything checked. So this is the engine bay. I don't know whether you can make out. He showed me a photograph. Now I don't even recollect where was the damage. You can see the bite marks here, here, and few other places inside. But right now, the actual bite mark I had in the photograph shared by the service center guys. I'll share that. I'll add that here. But it's causing some issue. So in case your car is facing such issue, let me know in the comment section. What did you do? This is irrespective of the brand, and I think most of the cars are impacted by rat bites. So what is the remedy you have taken to fix it? Post my wiring harness replacement, I'll try to find a solution for it. In case any of the rat repellent manufacturers or companies or accessory store are watching this video, help me out and help the prospective buyers on what are the remedies you have in store for us. DM me on Instagram and comment on YouTube so that I can reach out to you and we can find out a suitable solution for it. Thanks for watching, all of you.